Did you know the first recorded use of the term computer program dates back to the 19th century? It wasn't for electronic computers. It was for a mechanical one. Ada Lovelace, often called the first computer programmer, worked on Charles Babbage's analytical engine. In 1843, she wrote detailed notes that included what we now recognize as the first algorithm designed to be executed by a machine. What's even cooler? She predicted that machines could do more than math, like composing music. So, the concept of programming predates modern computers by over a century. Ada's vision shaped the future of technology forever.